From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air in your home, waking up with a scratchy throat and dry skin? The Homedics Ultrasonic Humidifier, Large Deluxe is here to change that. With its warm and cool mist feature, you can choose the perfect setting for your comfort, and the high-frequency technology converts water into a fine, evenly dispersed mist that feels amazing on your skin. This humidifier is super easy to set up and comes with a top-fill tank that holds a generous amount of water, providing up to 85 hours of runtime per fill, and the clean tank technology helps protect the tank from mold and mildew, giving you peace of mind. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which is a testament to its quality. The Homedics Ultrasonic Humidifier is also incredibly quiet and convenient, with a whisper-quiet operation and built-in nightlight that's perfect for nighttime use. And you can even add your favorite scent to the cool mist with the included essential oil pads. The customized settings allow you to choose from 5 different mist settings, and the built-in auto-off timer and programmable digital humidistat help maintain your desired room humidity, giving you complete control over your comfort. In real-life use, this humidifier is a game-changer, especially during the dry winter months, and it's perfect for large rooms and family rooms, providing relief from dry air and helping you breathe easier. The fact that it comes with a 1-year warranty gives you added security, and the included demineralization cartridge helps remove minerals from the water, making it even more effective. Overall, the Homedics Ultrasonic Humidifier, Large Deluxe is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient humidifier, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.